Today we are going to be drawing a cartoon cat. So get out a pencil, tablet, or whatever you choose to draw with, and let's get started. Begin by drawing an oval with a slightly flattened bottom for the face. Then add 2 circles for the eyes. For the ears, it'll be 2 triangles. Start the top line in the center of the eye, and end the bottom line at the top of the eye. To finish the ears, just draw another triangle within the one you just made. We're going to add some detail now, starting with the pupils. I'm going to give this cat some really big pupils, make it nice and cute. All you have to do is draw another circle within your eye. I want my cat to be looking off to the side, but you can make it look whatever direction you want. Don't color them in just yet though, we'll get back to that later. For the nose, go between the eyes and draw an upside down triangle. Now we're going to give the cat a sassy little blip, a little tongue sticking out. So draw a tiny line right underneath the nose. Then draw a U from under the line to make the tongue. Let's give this cat some eyebrows. Go up between the area of your eye and the top of the head and draw an oval, with a slight curve though, kind of like a jelly bean. And repeat on the other side. We've got to give this cat some whiskers. So go down to the right side of the head, on the cheek, and draw 3 lines. And repeat on the left. Moving on to the body, we're going to start by drawing the cat's outer arm. Go to your left eye, come straight down to the bottom of the face, and draw a line with a slight curve at the end. Then for the chest, go about halfway up that line, over just a little bit, and start another line, straight down until you reach the bottom of the arm. Then turn and keep drawing until you reach the side of the right eye. For the foot, draw a backwards J with a little bit extra curl to it. For the cat's rear end, find the right eye, come out to the outer edge, and down to the bottom of the face. That's where you're going to start your line. Now start drawing a line with a slight curve coming down as far as the top of the cat's foot. For the tail, come to the center of the line you just drew and start drawing as if you were going to draw a swirl. But once your swirl starts to go up, flatten out your line. To add the back foot, come to the bottom of your tail and draw a C, and continue by adding a little curve. Connect the front and back foot, and now you've completed the basic outline, but let's add some more details. To add a little tuft of hair on top, come to the center of the head and draw 2 diagonal lines. Next, let's go back to those pupils. You can just plainly fill them in, or to up the cuteness factor, you can make the cat's eyes look big and shiny by either taking an eraser or something like a white marker and draw a small curve and then a dot at the top of each eye. Just to make things a little more interesting, I'm going to add 3 lines on each side of the chest to make the cat's chest look kind of fluffy and furry, and add 2 lines to the bottom of the tail so that when I color it, it will show up a little better. And that is it. You have just drawn a cartoon cat. In the comments if you want me to do more drawing tutorials, and if so, tell me what you want me to draw next, like a character or a person, plants, food, more animals, whatever you want, let me know. Thanks for watching and have fun doodling.